This is my review of the Stihl BR800C backpack blower. First of all, I'm not sponsored by Stihl or paid by them, but Stihl did send me this machine and I do get to keep it free of charge. Through the video I'll give you a quick overview of the machine and then you'll see some footage of it in action and I'll give you my thoughts on it. This is a 79.9cc machine. It's a 4-mix engine which runs on 2-stroke fuel. And the machine itself, dry, weighs 11.7 kilos. Right, first of all, at the back of the machine you have a primer bulb and a semi-automatic choke, which once the machine started releases once you touch the throttle. The control handle is rubberized and you have your traditional throttle trigger and also a fixed throttle which you can set it a bit like a cruise control, and that same lever, when it's pressed completely down, shuts the machine off. The control handle can be adjusted to suit the user. Simply release that tab and then lock back into place, and it is rotatable, so you do have good movement. The tube itself is adjustable. As you can see, I'm doing one-handed here, very easily, and that tube is also supported, so you're not carrying a weight on it neither. And as you can see, there's a tab which, when you're not using it, simply hooks back to hold the tube out of the way. Now the best way for me to show you the anti-vibration is to give it a wobble, and as you can see, it's very well sprung. So now the different bit on this machine is a side start, but it can be started traditionally on the ground. As you can see, there is a foot plate for it as well, and there is another look at it. And importantly, the harness. You have a waist belt which is well padded, and at the back a chest strap, and obviously your shoulder straps. Again, they are very well padded, which comfort is important. So now I'll let you listen to the machine and watch a little bit of footage, and then I'll give you my thoughts on it. So after 2.5 months of using this machine, my conclusion is it's a very, very powerful machine. It's done everything I've asked of it. I've had no issues with the machine, no faults, failures with it. It's been extremely reliable. The side start, I think for some they will like it and some won't. For me, I really like the side start. One of the main reasons I like it is because backpack blowers in general are heavy, cumbersome machines, and starting them on the ground, they are difficult and hard on your back when you're picking them up trying to get them back on. I found with this, because of the side start, I simply slide the machine to the back of the van and put my arms through the shoulder straps and it's straight on my back. I'm not bending over, straining my back, which, being of a certain age, is quite important. For a heavy machine, it's actually quite comfortable to wear. It's very well padded, which is important. It's a big machine designed to move a lot of material, and I had several occasions where I used this for 8 hours. Largest property I look after is 8 acres, so there's a lot of leaves. I have actively tried to find fault with this machine, even trying to find small niggles with the machine, and to be quite honest, I can't find anything. The machine does what it's meant to do, and it's well designed to do it. It's, for me, very operator friendly. The only thing I could say I don't like about the machine is it's loud, but I know that's the nature of the machine, unfortunately. So hope that was of help. I will put some more technical details in the description. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed. Thank you.